Welcome students. Now in the unit of indefinite integration we are learning methods of finding integration. या ठिकाणी आपण मेथड्स ऑफ इंटिग्रेशन पाहत आहोत. वी लर्न फर्स्ट मेथड that is integration by using standard result. Second method was integration by using substitution, and now we learn how to find integration by using parts. That is, this is a multiplication rule of integration. हा multiplication rule आहे. Now say this, what is multiplication rule? That is to find the integration of u into v, to find the integration of this product. या गुणाकाराचं इंटिग्रेशन काढत असताना product u into v is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration of v dx into du by dx with respect to x. Now here we have to choose u and v according to order L I A T E. या क्रमानुसार L I A T E या क्रमानुसार आपल्याला u आणि v चूज करायचे आहेत. Where this L I A T E means this L for logarithmic function, I for inverse trigonometry, and A for algebraic, T for trigonometric, and E for exponential function. Now in this way we determine the order of u and v. LIATR rule नुसार त्याची ऑर्डर ठरवायची आणि इंटिग्रेशन फाइंड करायचं. सी सोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस फर्स्ट, that is let I is equal to integration of log x dx. Now here is only one function log x आणि आपल्याला u into v rule वापरायचं आहे. त्यासाठी टेक वन as another function. Write this log x. Log x log x into 1 into dx. Now these are two functions, log x and 1. Here log x, this is logarithmic, and 1, this is a algebraic function. Now by order LIATE या क्रमानुसार you have to choose u and v. L is first, so take u is equal to log x, and a is next, therefore take v is equal to 1. So choose u is equal to log x, v is equal to 1 by this order. Therefore by parts, that means by using this formula of product, u v integration dx is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration of square bracket integration of v dx into du by dx with respect to x. या ठिकाणी या इंटिग्रेशन मध्ये प्रोडक्ट आहे इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ v dx आणि du by dx. दिस इज फर्स्ट टर्म u इंटू v dx. हे रूल वापरत असताना सिम्पली पुट व्हॅल्यू ऑफ u अँड v इन दिस फॉर्म्युला. u आणि v च्या किमती या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये ठेवा. Therefore this product, that means say I is equal to u means log x integration of v म्हणजे v is equal to 1 minus integration of v means integration of 1 dx into d by dx of log x, that is u with respect to x. Now we write values of this integration of 1 and derivative of log x. So these are standard. So which is equal to log of x integration of 1 is x minus integration of 1 is x into d by dx of log x. This is standard derivative. Its value is 1 upon x with respect to x. Now here x will get cancelled. I is equal to log x into this x minus integration of 1 dx. X is get cancelled, 1 dx. Therefore, I is equal to, write x first like this, x log x minus integration of 1 is x plus c. So, I means here this integration of log x dx is equal to x log x minus x plus c. So, remember this as a standard formula of integration of log x, which is x log x minus x. In this way, we find the integration of log x. Now, see this next example, number 2. Call I is equal to integration of x into tan inverse x dx. Now, this is a product. इथे x आणि tan inverse x चा गुणाकार आहे. This x is a algebraic function and tan inverse is a inverse trigonometric function. Now, by this order LRATE, I is first. So, call this I means tan inverse x. Therefore, choose u is equal to tan inverse x. And v means algebraic next function, second function, which is equal to x. Now, by using parts, therefore, by parts, this is formula integration of u v dx, u integration of v dx minus integration of v dx du by dx with respect to x. Now, put values, therefore, I means this x into tan inverse x, that means u into v. Put value of u and v. या फॉर्म्युल्यामध्ये फक्त u आणि v च्या किमती ठेवत जा. याची किंमत शोधायची, इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ v dx आणि डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ u dx. सो u मीन्स tan इनवर्स x, u ची किंमत ठेवा tan इनवर्स x. v मीन्स x dx मायनस इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ, अगेन इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ v means x dx into d by dx of u means tan inverse x with respect to x. So, we have to write this integration of x and derivative of tan inverse x. Here is also. Now, use here power function, that means d by dx of x raised to n, d by integration of x raised to n dx. This is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So, therefore, integration of x dx is equal to integration of x plus 1 upon x raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, which is x square upon 2. हे पहा, x raised to n चे इंटिग्रेशन आहे. इथे n ची व्हॅल्यू 1 आहे. सो पुट n 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1 x square upon 2 means integration of x dx. And this is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x integration is, derivative is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So, this I is equal to tan inverse x into integration of x, that is x square upon 2, minus integration, again this integration of x, which is x square upon 2, into derivative of this tan inverse x, 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Now, next we simplify. This 1 upon 2 is constant, take it outside this operator, which is equal to tan inverse x, x square upon 2, take minus half outside, integration of x square upon 1 plus x square. Now, split this as a 1 plus x square minus 1. इथून पुढे सोडत असताना इथे प्लस 1 करा आणि मायनस 1 करा. make group of 1 plus x square minus 1. So that this is in the form, say a plus b upon c. We can write this as a upon c plus b upon c. We can divide separately to the numerator a upon c plus b upon c. हे दोन टर्म्स असतील, याला काय करायचं, सेपरेट डिवाइड करायचं. सो विच इज इक्वल टू tan inverse x square upon 2 minus this is half integration of. Now divide separately to the numerator 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square minus this 1 upon 1 plus x square with respect to x using this rule. Now this 1 plus x square upon 1 plus x square, this term will get cancelled with each other. Now here 1 will left, या ठिकाणी 1 राहील. Operate this integration over each term, over first and second term. इथे वजाबाकी आहे. So therefore this is a tan inverse x square by 2 minus half into bracket value of this is 1 dx minus integration over this 1 upon 1 plus x square dx bracket complete, which is equal to tan inverse x square upon 2 minus half integration of 1. This is standard formula, integration of 1 and 1 upon 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 is x minus integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is a tan inverse x plus c. So this is value of I. See next example number 3. Call this is I. Let I is equal to integration of x into cosec inverse x dx. Now integrand, या ठिकाणी integrand, this is a product of x and cosec inverse x. So this x is a algebraic function and this is a inverse trigonometry function. So by this order LIAT, I is first. So call this cosec inverse x as a first function, म्हणजेच त्याला u म्हणा. So therefore u is equal to cosec inverse x and v second function which is algebraic, therefore v is equal to x. Therefore by parts, integration of u v dx is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration square bracket integration of v dx du by dx with respect to x. Now in this formula put value of u and v. u म्हणजे cosec inverse x and v means here x. Put in this formula, therefore I is equal to u. u means cosec inverse x. Integration of v means x dx minus integration of square bracket again integration of v. v means x dx into d by dx of u. u means cosec inverse x. Cosec inverse x again with respect to x. Now this is integration of x dx. Here is also integration of x dx and derivative of cosec inverse x. Integration of x dx, we see this is x raised to 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, which is x square upon 2, and this is derivative of cosec inverse x. This is also standard, which is 1 upon x into root of x square minus 1. So put this value in I. See how this I becomes. Therefore I is equal to cosec inverse x integration of x, which is x square upon 2, minus again square bracket integration of x, that is x square upon 2 into derivative of cosec inverse x, 1 upon x into 1 upon x into square root of x square minus 1 dx. Now take this 1 upon 2 outside. This x square upon 2, 1 x will get cancelled. X square upon 2 मतलब एक x cancel will, 1 will left. So take 1 upon 2 outside, which is equal to cosec inverse x, x square upon 2 minus half x upon 1 upon 2 outside. कॉन्स्टंट असेल तर तो ऑपरेटरच्या बाहेर घ्यायचं, अपॉन x square minus 1 dx. Now to find value of this integrand, याची किंमत काढण्यासाठी, to find value of this integration, you have to use integration of f dash of x upon square root of f of x dx. Use this result, its value is 2 times root of f of x. This is in the form, हे इंटिग्रँड या फॉर्ममध्ये एक्सप्रेस करायचं, f dash of x upon f of x. So call this as f. याला जर f म्हटलं तर न्यूमरेटरला f dash पाहिजे. नाउ डेरिवेटिव्ह ऑफ x square minus 1, डेरिवेटिव्ह ऑफ x square is 2x and derivative of 1 is 0. See this, d by dx of x square minus 1 is equal to d by dx of x square minus d by dx of 1, and derivative of x square is 2x minus 1, that is 0, which is equal to 2x. Now to write here 2x, इथं 2x घेण्यासाठी multiplied by 2 and divide by 2. हे f dash येण्यासाठी इथं 2x पाहिजे आणि इथं 2 घेतल्यानंतर इथं परत त्यांना काय करायचं, डिवाइड करायचं, सो दॅट दे विल गेट कॅन्सल अँड नो चेंज इन व्हॅल्यू ऑफ इंटिग्रेशन. नाउ दिस इज इन द फॉर्म, हे इंटिग्रँड दिस इज इन द फॉर्म f dash अपॉन f. सो वी राइट दिस इज इक्वल टू I is equal to integration of cosec inverse x, x square upon 2, this much is 1 upon 4. This is in the form f dash upon root of f in this result, which is equal to 2 times root of f of x. That means 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, and value of this is 2 times root of f of x. F of x means this x square minus 1 plus c. So finally we get I is equal to cosec inverse x, x square upon 2 minus 1 upon 4 into 2, this is again 1 upon 2, x square minus 1 plus c. So this is a required integration. See next example number 4, integration, let I is equal to integration of x upon 1 plus cos of 2x dx. Now use here trigonometry. This 1 plus cos 2x ची किंमत ठेवा. This 1 plus cos 2x upon 2, which is equal to cos square of x. मग 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square of x. So use this value in this integration. Therefore I is equal to integration of x upon 1 plus cos 2x म्हणजेच 2 cos square x dx. आता 1 upon 2 कॉमन घ्या, कॉन्स्टंट आउटसाइड, 1 upon 2 outside, x into this is 1 upon cos square, which is nothing but sec square of x dx. आता या ठिकाणी प्रोडक्ट आहे x, this is algebraic function, and this sec square x, this is trigonometric function. आणि या क्रमानुसार LIAT, a is first, so call x as a first function and t is second function, that is t is second, therefore call t as u. Therefore here u is equal to x and v is equal to sec square of x. Now use integration by parts. Therefore by parts integration of u v dx, integration of this product is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration of square bracket integration of v dx du by dx with respect to x. Now in this formula put values of u and v. U is x and v is sec square of x. Therefore I is equal to u means x, integration of v means sec square of x dx minus integration of square bracket v means here integration of sec square of x dx minus into du by dx of u means here x with respect to x, and take this 1 upon 2, carry this 1 upon 2 into this bracket. So which is equal to 1 upon 2 x into integration of sec square x. This is a standard formula, integration of sec square x, which is tan x minus, again here is also integration of sec square x, square bracket integration of sec square x is a tan x into d by dx of x. This is also standard, derivative of x is 1 with respect to x. Therefore which is equal to half x tan x minus integration of tan x dx, and this integration of tan x dx which is also standard. Therefore we get I is equal to 1 half x tan x minus integration of tan x is a log of sec x, integration of tan x is log of sec x. So this is a required integration. This next example number 5, select I is equal to tan inverse of x dx which is equal to integration of, now here is only one function is given, फक्त tan inverse x दिलेलं आहे, एकच function आहे. Take one as another function. So this is tan inverse x into 1 into dx. We can write this tan inverse x as a tan inverse x into 1. Now this tan inverse x is inverse function and this 1 is an algebraic function. So by this order LIATE, I is first. So call this tan inverse x as a first function. Therefore u is equal to tan inverse x, and algebraic is the next. Therefore call this 1 as v. Take v is equal to 1. Therefore by parts, integration of u v dx is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration of v dx du by dx with respect to x. Therefore I is equal to, now u is tan inverse x, v is equal to 1, put values of u and v in this formula to find integration of u v. So I is equal to u means tan inverse x, integration of v means 1 dx minus integration of square bracket integration of 1 dx minus derivative of u means tan inverse x with respect to x, which is equal to tan inverse x. Now integration of 1, this is standard, here is integration of 1 and derivative of tan inverse x. Integration of 1 is x minus, again integration of 1 is x into derivative of tan inverse x, 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. So which is equal to, we write this as tan inverse x into x minus x upon 1 plus x square dx. Now to find value of this integration, या इंटिग्रेशन ची किंमत काढत असताना we have to use this formula, integration of f dash of x upon f of x dx, which is equal to log of f of x plus c, f dash of x upon f of x. Now if this is f of x, हे जर f of x असेल, then this must be f dash of x. हे f dash of येण्यासाठी याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढावा लागेल 1 plus x square d by dx of 1 plus x square d by dx of 1 plus d by dx of x square, which is equal to derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of x square is 2x. म्हणजे हे f of x असेल ते f dash किती येते 2 येते. सो मल्टिप्लाय हिअर बाय 2 and divide by 2. So this is in the form, if this is f then this is f dash. हे f dash येण्यासाठी फक्त इथं 2 न मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आणि डिवाइड करायचं, so that there is a no change in value of integration. Therefore I is equal to tan inverse x into x, say minus half integration 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Now this is f dash upon f, so which is equal to tan inverse x into x minus half, and by this result this value is log of 1 plus x square plus c. So this is a required integration. Now see next example of integration by parts, example number 6. Let I is equal to integration of x into sin inverse x upon root of 1 minus x square dx, which is equal to, we write this as sin inverse x, write this separately, and x upon root 1 minus x square dx. Now split this integrand like this, so that we can decide this sin inverse x is an inverse function and this is algebraic function, x upon root of 1 minus x square. So call this as inverse and this is algebraic. So therefore by this order LIAT, u is a first function which is inverse, therefore this is sin inverse x, and v is a second function that is algebraic, x upon root of 1 minus x square. Now by parts, by using this formula, integration of u e dx, u integration of v dx minus integration of v dx into du by dx with respect to x. Now put values of u and v. u म्हणजे sin inverse x ठेवा आणि v means x upon root 1 minus x square. So therefore I is equal to u. u means sin inverse x into integration of v. v means this x upon root of 1 minus x square dx minus integration of square bracket integration of v means x upon root of 1 minus x square dx into d by dx of sin inverse x with respect to x. Now here we have to write this integration of 1 minus this and derivative of sin inverse x. Now to write integration, याचं इंटिग्रेशन लिहित असताना यूज दिस फॉर्म्युला, इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ f dash of x upon root of f of x dx, which is equal to 2 times f of x, 2 times root f of x. भाई अंडर रूट 1 मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअर आहे, त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येईल -2x, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ 1 इज 0. सी दिस डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ 1 मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ 1 मायनस डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर. डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ 1 इज 0 मायनस डी बाय डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वेअर इज 2x, म्हणजे इथे -2x येईल आणि इथे x आहे. सो मल्टिप्लाय बाय -2 अँड डिवाइड बाय -2. इथं -2 न मल्टिप्लाय करा आणि इथे डिवाइड करा -2 न. सो दॅट देर इज नो चेंज इन द एक्सप्रेशन. सो दिस इज एफ डॅश, दिस इज एफ, म्हणजे हे एफ डॅश अपॉन स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ एफमध्ये असेल. सिमिलरली हिअर मल्टिप्लाय बाय -2 अँड डिवाइड बाय -2. Multiply and divide by -2. So therefore, how this becomes? I is equal to -2 means this is minus half sin inverse x integration of say -2x upon root 1 minus x square dx. Here this is minus plus integration square bracket -2x upon square root of 1 minus x square dx into d by dx of sin inverse x with respect to x. Now clearly this is in the form f dash upon square root of f. Similarly this is f dash upon square root of f. So we write its integration as 2 times f of x, which is equal to minus half sin inverse x. This integration is 2 times square root of 1 minus x square plus integration value of this integration is 2 times root of f of x, that is 2 times root of 1 minus x square into derivative d by dx of sin inverse x. Derivative of sin inverse x is a 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Derivative of this is standard bracket complete with respect to x. Now this root 1 minus x square get cancelled with root 1 minus x square. This 2 is constant, take it outside the integration. Therefore I is equal to minus half sin inverse x. Here also 2 will get cancelled, so only minus sin inverse x plus take 2 outside, take this 2 outside, 1 minute, carry this minus 1 upon 2 here, minus plus this will be 1 upon 2 and here also this 2 will get cancelled. So this is plus integration of this term will get cancelled, only 1 will let 1 dx plus c. So I is equal to minus sin inverse x plus integration of 1, this is standard, which is x plus c. So this is a required value of integration. Now see this next example number 7. Call this is I, which is equal to integration of x square log x dx. Now see how to solve this. This is x square into log of x. So this x is algebraic function and log x is a logarithmic function. So therefore by rule, by this LIATE, logarithmic is first. So therefore choose u is equal to, choose u which is first function, logarithmic, that is log x, and v as a second function, that is algebraic, x square. Now therefore by parts, by using integration by parts, integration of u v dx is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration of v dx du by dx with respect to x, which is equal to, therefore I is equal to u means log x, integration of v means x square up x square dx minus square bracket integration of v means x square dx into d by dx of u means log x with respect to x. Now, this integration of x square and derivative of log x. So, here integration of x square, integration of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Therefore, integration of x square is equal to x raised to 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c, which is x cube upon 3. So, 2 plus 1 is 3 upon 3. So, this is integration of x, and d by dx of log x, this is standard derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Now, if we put these values in this equation, therefore, I is equal to say log of x into integration of x square, which is x cube upon 3, minus again integration of x square, which is x cube upon 3 into d by dx of log x, which is 1 upon x dx. Now, this is x cube upon x, this will be square. So, which is equal to log of x, x cube upon 3, take this 1 upon 3 constant outside, integration of x square dx, which is equal to, therefore, I is equal to log of x, x cube upon 3 minus 1 upon 3, again integration of this x square, which is x raised to 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 plus c. So, finally, we get I is equal to log x into x cube upon 3 minus 1 upon 3, and this is a x cube upon 3 plus c. So, this is required integration. Now, see next example, example number 8, solution of 8. Say I is equal to integration of x into e raised to 2x dx. Now, this x, this is product of x into e raised to x, x is algebraic, and this e raised to x is an exponential function. So, by this order LIATE, A is first and then E. So, call first function as x, म्हणजे x ला first function म्हणा. Therefore, u is equal to x and E is last. Therefore, call this e raised to 2x as second function, that is v e raised to 2x. Now, therefore, by parts, integration of u v dx, u integration of v dx minus integration of v dx du by dx with respect to x. Now, put values of u and v, u is x, v is e raised to 2x in this formula. Therefore, I is equal to u means x, integration of v means e raised to 2x dx minus integration, again integration of v means integration of e raised to 2x dx into d by dx of u means x with respect to x. So, here we have to write these values, integration of e raised to x and derivative of x. So, integration of x, e raised to x is e raised to x, derivative of x is 1. Now, this is composite, call this as u, e raised to x, इथे e raised to x है, x ऐवजी इथे 2x है, so call this as u, that means this is composite function. Therefore see how to find integration. त्याचे इंटिग्रेशन कसं काढायचं पहा. Therefore I is equal to this x as it is, integration of e raised to u divided by derivative of u, that is integration of e raised to u upon d by dx of this u means 2x minus integration of, similarly here integration of 2x, e raised to 2x upon d by dx of 2x into 1 with respect to x, d by dx of x is 1. Now derivative of 2x, d by dx of 2x, 2 outside, d by dx of x which is equal to 2 into 1 which is 2. So value of this d by dx of 2x is 2, याची किंमत 2 घ्या, which is equal to x e raised to 2x upon d by dx of 2x, that is 2, minus integration of again e raised to 2x d by dx of 2x upon 2 into 1 with respect to x. Now take this 2 outside, so this will be x e raised to 2x upon 2 minus half integration of e raised to 2x dx plus c. Again here integration of e raised to 2x, so this is x e raised to 2x upon 2 minus half, again this is u, this e raised to 2x is u, so e raised to u integration e raised to u divided by derivative of this 2x, that is 2 plus c, this is value of I. So this is required integration. Now see this example number 9, solution of this 9, call this is I, which is x into sine inverse x dx. So this x into sine inverse, x is algebraic function and the sine inverse x is a trigonometric function. So by this rule LIATE, a is first, that means sorry, t is next, a is first. So call a means x as a first function, that is u. Therefore u a means x and v, that is t, that is v is equal to sin x. Therefore by parts, integration of u v dx is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration of square bracket integration of v dx du by dx into dx. So therefore I is equal to, now put u is x and v is sin x in this formula. U means x, integration of sin x, integration of v means integration of sin x dx minus integration of v means integration of sin x dx into d by dx of u means x, bracket complete with respect to x. So we write here integration of sin x and derivative of x, so which is equal to x, integration of sin x is minus cos x minus again integration of sin x is minus cos x into d by dx of x is 1 and with respect to x. So take product of this minus minus, take minus sign here. Therefore I is equal to this minus into x minus x cos x, this minus minus will be plus integration of cos x dx. Therefore I is equal to x minus x cos x plus integration of cos x, this is standard sin x plus c, integration of this cos x is sin x. So this is a required integration. Similarly, see this last example number 10, call this I, which is integration of x cos x dx. Now this x is algebraic and cos x is a trigonometric function. So by this order, by this LIATE, A is first, then T, A then T. Therefore, call first function, that is u is equal to x, and choose v is equal to cos x. And therefore, by parts means integration of u v dx, u integration of v dx minus integration of v dx du by dx with respect to x. Now put values of u and v. Therefore, say I is equal to u means x, integration of v means cos x dx, minus again integration square bracket, integration of v means cos x dx into d by dx of u means x with respect to x. Now we write values of integration of cos x and derivative of x. So integration of cos x is sin x, therefore I is equal to x, integration of cos x is sin x minus again integration of cos x, integration of this cos x sin x, and derivative of x is 1 with respect to x. So this is integration I is equal to x sin x minus integration sin x into 1 sin x dx. Again this is standard integration. Therefore, finally we get I is equal to x sin x minus integration of sin x is minus cos x plus c, and I is equal to x sin x minus plus cos of x plus c. So this is a required integration.